Good morning all of you. Today in this video I am going to solve a questions which is asked in 2024 KCET examination. Okay, so I will discuss here a D1 series paper. So the first question in the D1 series paper is the question related to special theory of relativity, that is event A happens at point xa is equal to 5, ya is equal to 3, za is equal to 0, which is happened at time 15. Event B occurs at xb is equal to 10, yb is equal to 8 and zb is equal to 0 and ctb is 5. Both events occur in system S. What is the invariant interval between A and B? For that, option C is correct, that means 50. So let's see how it is. So let us write down the solutions they are given. So these are the hints they are given to solve the problem. So for example, let us consider in S frame. In this S frame, the particle is at x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Here, at time Ta is equal to 3. And after some, Ta is equal to 15. And after some time interval, the particle is at x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. So here, and the time t is tb is equal to 5. And this case you can consider as a and this is B. So now let us take, so we are going to find the invariant interval between A and B. So for that we have a solution. So that is the formula for this is T2 minus T1. The difference here, minus means the difference between T2 and T1 events, minus x2 minus x1 whole square minus y2 minus y1 whole square minus z2 minus z1 whole square. So the difference between this x2 and x1, for first I am going to take T2 minus T1 difference. So T2 minus T1 difference is 15 minus 5. So that means 10 whole square minus x2 minus x1 difference means 10 minus 5 difference. So that is 5 square minus y2 minus y1 is 8 minus 3. Again 5 square minus z2 minus z1 is 0 square. So which is equal to 100 minus 25 minus 25. So which is equal to 100 minus 50. So 50 is the correct answer. So option C is correct. And the question number 2, which is the characteristic impedance of coaxial line is Z0 is equal to 1 by 2 pi root mu e ln b by a. Assume mu is equal to mu naught. An air-filled coaxial line has a radius ratio 2. Find its characteristic impedance. So 41.4 ohm is the correct answer. In this question, the formula only they are given. And if you substitute the value of B, A and mu and epsilon naught, B by A the ratio they are given, that is 2. So if you substitute the value of B, mu naught and E epsilon naught, mu naught is the permeability of a particle and epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space. So if you substitute that, see, if you substitute the values of this, so this is the formula they are given, and if you substitute this these constant values in this equation, and B by A ratio is 2, they will get Z0 is equal to 41.4 ohm. Okay, so these are the constants they are given. These are the constant we should remember, and B by A, the ratio in the question they mentioned that radius ratio is 2, so that is B by A. So 41.4 ohm is the correct answer. So this is question number 3, so which is a rectangular waveguide is as shown in the figure. Now what is the boundary conditions of E and H on the top wall? That means in the top wall means this surface. So the electric field is tangent to this surface. We are going to find the conditions. So in these 4 conditions, which one is right? You have to choose. Option number B is correct. So how it is correct? How to remember this type of problems? So let's see. Here these four conditions you should always remember that. See, so Ez is equal to 0 in all the four sides. Okay, Ez is also is equal to 0 because the rectangular waveguide is in the xy plane. And what are the four sides? That means x is equal to 0 at x is equal to a. That means in the left, in this side and this side, means these sides. When x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. Y is equal to 0 means at the bottom, and y is equal to b means at the top. In all the four sides, Ez is equal to 0. And Ex is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b. Okay, that means top and bottom sides. So that is Ex is equal to 0 at y is equal to 0 and y is equal to b means y is equal to 0 means, see here, this is bottom, and y is equal to b means top. So that is the condition when Ex is equal to 0. And Ey is equal to 0 at x is equal to a and x is equal to 0. See, this is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. Means at the left and at the right side. So in the question, so they clearly they are given four options. In that right one you have to choose, and they asked only for top side. The top means Ez is equal to 0. Okay, Ez is equal to 0 in all the four states. And Ey is equal to 0. Ey is equal to not 0 is not applicable for this condition because Ey is equal to 0 only for side walls. So this is not a correct answer. And Ex, see, Ex is equal to 0. Yes, Ez is equal to 0. Okay, it is valid. And also Ex is equal to 0. Yes, Ex is equal to 0 for both top and bottom. And we have to check the condition, that is Ex is equal to 0 at y is equal to b. See, this is the y is equal to b, right? Y is equal to b means top. Y is equal to 0 means bottom. So in the question, they givenly mentioned that what is the boundary conditions of E and H at the top wall. At the top wall. So that is option B is correct. Ez is equal to Ex and Hy xb. So option B is correct.